Hey all my English friends, greetings to Italy, Spain, America, England, wherever. We will show you some stuff which we changed in the workshop. So actually the whole office is a bit more tidy. So now, because we did the videos right there, we just had to do some, just had to chop the chairs a little bit different. So yeah, we did a new floor, but the main work was done to our motorsport workshop or to the electrical stuff and also to the rest of the company. So this is actually the main floor where the customers are coming in. We are sitting in the first floor up there, and my office is just right there in the back. I got my first time in 10 years my own office. Well, I'm pretty happy about it, because normally I was just sitting with all the guys in one room. It's also cool, but sometimes you just want to close the door, especially when you are owner of a company. So everybody I know would say, when you have a talk to your boss, sometimes it's better when you can close the door. So this is our waiting floor for the customers. So you just sit a little bit above. You can look in our engine department, and you can look to Robin, who is working there, to the electrical side. There on this part, there will be a glass window that, there's a little, that the people do not see every single screw which he's doing. So I think that's a bit better. There will be a coffee machine and also a fridge that the people just have something cold to drink. I think that's pretty neat. This is our engine department. We are just our practicant. I think that's the name of it. I do not pretty know. So it's the guy. They do not get paid. They just work here for school. It's one guy, and he is dropping all the different Mazda OEM screws into boxes that we just can get them cleaned and refreshed. This is the engine department. We just got some stuff back from measurements and from measurements companies that all the tools are in perfect condition. So this is where we are building up the engines. There's still little stuff to do. There's a little place behind this metal wall to keep it look more tidy. These are the race cars. Andreas, who's actually building the race cars and making them, he's just working with some wood stuff to get Robin's workspace finished. This is our workspace for the second electrician guy.
What about the Cobra?
The Cobra. It's a Weine Cobra. It's 15 liters of displacement. Do you know? I think cubic inches, I do not know. But it's about 1,500 horsepower. It will be a cool project. This is in for electrical wiring. This car got a little, got cams and headers and a tune. It's doing 145 horsepower. It was finished, but Ozan did the ant inspection before it goes to the customer, and he saw that what's that simmering of English?
A bearing?
Yeah, not bearing, one seal. Yeah, one seal was leaking a bit of oil, so we just had to work there again. The LFX ND is pretty much there, so the engine is in. It sits like stock in there. Intake is finished, so it's pretty good in there. Have to do some little tweaks to the body, and electrical wiring is done, so all the brackets are done. So this will be also a fantastic car. So this is one of the builds where I'm most excited to drive, because I think that's the perfect combination. MX-5 ND V6 engine dream. One Rocket G conversion for a customer got in, or it's not gone to the customer. It got just some new ECU. We have a 3-liter Jaguar engine in the bay. Yes, perfectly restored, fresh paint, it's Ferrari paint color, so really nice. The Cosmo is also went pretty far. We just did this, did the rear back nearly complete, so everything is pretty much done there. We're just closing up this side, so it's also pretty good. But a lot of work still. Want to get this out this year. Just to the paint shop, not completely done. This car gets some new frame rails in the front. It's welded in on one side. The other side we're just making We're just working at it. This is our engine December room, or where we do the gearboxes and cleaning, but it's not completely finished. I think that will take about a week to get this complete done. Yeah, and we did some little changes to the workspace. We just got that because we want to close up the body shop stuff to its own, that the dirt is not coming everywhere. The wood is just here because it's there, and we just making all the tables and all the stuff, we just do them by ourselves. All the workplaces back there where the people are just working at, we just build all that stuff by ourselves, so we just need some of these stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And we will just, I think next week we go up to the second building which we have, which is actually our main shipping department, and yeah, just have a look to it, how we handle all the packages. So nice that you were looking at our videos, and see you in the next video. Bye.